Hi, wanna know how to record screen on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to swipe down to open the control panel, and here you can see this icon with a camera on it. This is a screen recorder. By clicking on it on your screen will appear this menu for screen recording, and by clicking on the red circle, the screen recording will begin. If we will click on this menu, you can see the actual time of the length of total video of the screen recording and just nothing more. So let's swipe a few times so we can then recognize our video, and now stop the recording by clicking on this menu twice. Now we can close this menu by clicking on this cross and go to our gallery to take a look on our screen recording. Here is it how it looks, and now in just few seconds you can see how I'm swiping between the pages on my home screen, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.